Hi everyone, welcome to Gem from Boa channel. So today we're going to make a delicious, trendy breakfast treat, pancake cereal. Some of you are probably wondering, what is pancake cereal? Okay, it's basically eating your pancake cereal style by pouring milk onto it. It's that easy and so yummy. For this recipe, we're going to make it on a healthier side by making banana as our main ingredient instead of flour. It's so satisfying that I made it again this morning for breakfast. Guys, I'm so hooked, so let's start cooking. Let's start with 2 large eggs. Carefully separate egg whites from the egg yolk and put it on a separate bowl. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the egg yolk and mix. Peel 1 large banana. Just make sure you're using very ripe banana to add sweetness on your pancake. Mash well with fork, and then you're going to continue to mash it until you see this consistency. Add mashed banana into the egg yolk mixture. Then mix it until well combined. Now for the egg whites. We're going to whisk it with a fork or with a mixer if you have it until we see it bubbles. These bubbles are the key to make sure our pancakes are light and fluffy. Moving on to the next step. It is time to add our bubbly egg whites into the egg yolk mixture. We're going to gently fold the egg whites so we don't kill the bubbles. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, and you guessed it, we're going to mix it very well until you see this nice yellow color. Transfer it into a measuring cup. Heat pan and start melting butter. Once pan is hot, slowly pour the pancake batter in small round shapes. After a few seconds, these little pancakes are ready to be flipped on the other side. And there you go! Our first batch is done! We're just going to do this all over again. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's tedious. But if you're in a hurry, you can speed up your cooking time by using a larger pan. Or you can bake it if you like. I haven't tried baking it, but it doesn't sound like a bad idea. Maybe I'll try that next time. But for now, I'm going to keep cooking on my small pan and keep flipping these cute little pancakes. And I don't know about you guys, I'm not sure is it just me, but I had so much fun flipping these little pancakes and I can't wait to eat them. You can add any toppings you like, but for me, I'm going for some homemade raspberry sauce today. Finally, pouring a generous amount of oat milk. If you're not a big fan of plant-based milk, you can use whatever you prefer. Don't worry, it will still taste delicious. This pancake cereal looks and tastes amazing. With oat milk and the raspberry sauce, I'm definitely making this again tomorrow morning. I hope you can try this recipe yourself. If you're interested, I'll put the recipe link of the homemade raspberry sauce in the description box so you can try it with this awesome banana pancake cereal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next episode.